Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Come back with me, Ilma Nurfaida, in Environmental Chemistry with Ilma. Okay, in this video I will talk about sampling strategy and preservation. The sampling strategy is to collect a certain volume of a water body to be studied with a small possible amount, but still can be representative and still have all the same characteristic as the water body. An example is taking samples of seawater, lake water, and others. This strategy is very important because the sample, when it is taken and has been used, the volume must remain the same so that it can be called valid data. Sampling is divided into three steps as follows. Number one, representative sampling. Number two is transport and presentation of samples. Number three is chemical analysis of sample, or the test parameter can be physical or chemical parameter or both. Okay, step 1, preparation of sampling and preparation. Number 1, bottle that will be used to take samples but be clean and have been rinsed with distilled water or distilled water first, then followed by the liquid that will be used to fill the water and dry if possible. And also make sure the bottle does not contain any contaminant from the previous analysis. This is very small so that there should be no trace of contaminants from the previous analysis. Number 2 is the same also applies to sampling aquariums such as ponds, peoples, and other. There must be clean and contain no result from old samples, especially to growth of mound and middle, because their fungi can absorb or reduce the thing we want to test. Number 3, contamination from metal or sampling equipment that can be dissolved in the sample must be prevented. Number 4, brush can be dissolved in acidic or alkaline water, so care must be taken off the metal. While plastic and rubber material can dissolve in industrial wastewater containing organic sulfur or oil and gasoline. For example, do not choose container made of plastic or rubber if the sample contain organic or non-polar. Sample can be taken separately using a plastic or open glass bottle bucket and weighed for example by a lead ring around the neck till with a rope and then put into a river, a well, and soon. Talking sample and a curtain chip. Number 1, provided with a closed bottle which can be opened when it reaches the desired depth. Another way is to use a kind of pump that such. This is due to avoid surface areas that can contain suspended solid. Samples from tap water can be taken with an open beaker or a bottle that will be closed depending on the analysis plan. Number 4, using an automatic samples, which is a special tool for consecutive sampling. The sample automotive tool considered of the success people tip of the sample point is limited to about uh, 5 meter under the tool. Kemudian pun clock to control sampling frequency, tool for dividing samples into battle for mixed sample, and an isothermic city containing battle of mixed sample by cooling by ordinary ice or dry ice, so that samples can be prepared at least a day before being brought to the laboratory. That is because the air in the sample is low, so that there is no change. Uh, there are also disturbances that may arise during the storage and transport of samples. Number 1, gas such as oxygen and carbon dioxide can be absorbed by the sample's water or can disappear from the sample water into the air. Suspend and colonial substance can from their own and precipitate, so that one becomes different from the stage when it was taken. Number 3 is light substance and liquid such as smooth can float on the surface. Number 4 is solute can be oxidized by dissolved oxygen, so that is turned into other compound. The method of preparing sample depends on the analysis to be carried out and the element to be studied. Okay, the definition of the contamination is the entry of unwanted compound into the samples during the sample pre-treatment process and survival the analysis. Contamination is samples can come from atmosphere operation equipment, Revlon, polyvinyl chloride, rubber, paper, okay, atmosphere, primarily derived from particulate trace element and the soil surface and suspend material in the atmosphere. The way to avoid this contamination is to cover the sample solution during the preparation and analysis process. Number 2 is operator, occur when it direct contact with or through the air. Number 2 is equipment. Glass in analytical chemistry means borosilicate glass such as Pyrex unless otherwise specified. Contamination of glass is usually caused by attack and dissolution of the cortine by the solution. Pyrex is resistant to weak acid and base but less resistant to strong base and acid. High silica glass. Type glass is more resistant to solution attack and had to 900 degrees Celsius. Glass utensils can be washed with a mixture of concentrated asam sulfate, which is better than a mixture of the asam sulfat. HCl and HNO3 can be used to clean the metal surface and the metal other equipment that is frequently used and has lower contamination include A. Fused silica can be used in high temperature suffer from metal contamination comes from material absorbed in previous use. B. Plastic are not resistant to heat, contain additives, and are resistant. C. Revlon can be used from temperature up to 300 degrees Celsius in also almost all analytical reagents. D. Polyvinyl chloride contain high level of metal, also contain PbCN, CD, and Ce. Most plastics are contaminated by primer. E. Rubber contains several additives, antimony compound and PB compound. It is recommended not to wear rubber equipment. Paper often contain a number of metal with a very variable content. Contamination of water, used water is great, then the region it is necessary to pay special attention to the purity and the water use. The reduced metal contamination is water use and ion exchange results column. Contamination from the region is mineral acid, ammonia, organic ionic solid region, and organic oven. Region contamination is grouped into mineral acid, ammonia, inorganic solid, and organic region. Mineral acid. Most mineral acid contain amount of metal. Then different number one is extra pure acid contain very low level of metal, are very expensive. Number two is ultra pure, contain a very low metal concentration, but the content is of some element varies from one product to other. Number three is analytical reagent grade acid, usual contain metal as listed in the table. Number two is ammonia. Ammonia solution is water placed in a glass bottle will be contaminated by silica, aluminum, calcium, and other elements that may be caused by the attack of alkaline solution on the glass. Analytical reagent ammonia can contain heavy metal in very low concentration. This is probably due to the absorption of the metal by the glass. Inorganic solid of region quality are usually substantially pure to be used directly without pre-purification, but a blank control solution must be prepared. Lead Pb is an important metal. Purification is usual by means of crystallization of filtration. Organic reagent usually contain and condensadly bond metal. This metal is usually derived from the sulfur and reagent used in the synthesis of the ligand. Organic reagents are usually used in such small quantities that contamination can often be neglected, but contact is required. During the preparation, separation and determination stage, the analysis is removed from the sample solution by the following factor. Number one is absorption, number two is volatilization, number three is comprecipitation or precipitating. Thank you for watching the video.